I welcome you to today's video. It's another beautiful Saturday morning, and of course, we'll be checking out this mobile setup. And of course, then we are doing this because the lady asked for it, okay, and she needs something she can use to trade while she will be getting, while she's yet to get the custom made indicators, any of the custom made indicators. But for those of you on the Telegram channel, I must say congratulations to you guys. Up to those of you having any of these custom made indicator, either the smart contract smart indicator, or probably the 3M trend milker indicator, then definitely I must say congratulations to you guys, because we made a lot of profits. If you have been following up with the signals that have been provided by these indicators, you should have made a lot of profit. Okay, in case you guys are wondering, let me show you this. You can see these are the trades I took with the same indicator, and of course this actually gave me $1,845. Okay, you can imagine. Okay, you can see my trading activities. You can see that I closed some trades in negative. Also, the reason is it got to my stop loss, so I had to close them in negative. I had no choice about that. So that is why I said you need to be able to protect your capital whenever you are trading. And of course, guys, if you should notice, there is a lot of trade, and of course it gave me $1,845 in profit. Okay, so now let's move back to the chart. So we will be checking out how you can use this mobile setup to trade if you are not having the custom made indicator. Okay, this might not be as perfect as that of the custom made indicator, but you will still be able to make some good amount of profits with it. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into it right away. Okay, sir. Okay, guys, so let me start with this. Okay, so we are going to be checking out the setup first. Once we check out the setup, then we will see how we can use the setup to trade. Okay, so right here we have the setup right here. On the main chart, we are having the moving averages. Okay, and in the window indicator, we are having the RSI and alligator. Okay, so I'm going to show you the setup. This is the first moving average. You can screenshot it and have it done on your chart. This is the second one. You can also do the same thing. And of course, for the window indicator, this is the RSI and this is the alligator. Okay, so all these are important. Okay, so you can go ahead and have it done on your chart. Okay, so this is how it works. You can use it on any of the time frame. Okay, but if you are not having a big capital, I won't advise you to go for a very big time frame. Okay, this is very, very important. Okay, so like I've always been telling you, the trend of the market is always very important. In short, it should be the number one thing you look out for whenever you are about to trade. Okay, so this has actually got into this resistance zone. The only way it can continue to buy is when it breaks out above this, and if it does not break out, then it should sell. Then you should look at it around here also. This has also gotten above 80, and of course if it breaks out above here, it will buy more, but in most cases it is most likely for it to start selling right from here because of what we have in the window indicator. So you can see it started going down, even though it was not a smooth movement, but at least it was doing more of a downtrend than an uptrend. But we had our crossing around it. The two moving averages had a downward crossing around there, which signifies an entry point for a sell. And what should we do? Okay, let me clear all that. An entry point for a sell. What should we do? We should also confirm it here. If there is a downward crossing around the 70-80 upward region, then definitely we are most likely to have a good sell from there. Okay, so we can place our order right here. You place your order right here, and of course at the tip here you put your SL here, which is your stop loss. Okay, I've always informed you in all my videos that you should manage manage your trading activities very well. For you to place an order here means that you should also have a stop loss set for yourself right there. Okay, so this is very, very important. And of course, check it out, it started selling and it kept on selling even though it ranged around there for a while. And if you should notice, that should be around 50. Okay, that should be around 50. Sometimes it happens that way. Okay, so when it breaks out below it, then it kept on selling. It has gotten to 30. From 30 you can start closing your trade, and of course keep all your profit that way, or you lock up 80% of your trade, of the profit. Okay, you lock up 80% of your profit by using adjusting the stop loss to keep the 80% of the profit. And of course, while you see if it's going to sell more, and of course you can see it sold more, and of course this will have given you more profit. Just make sure you keep on maintaining 80% of the profits locked up. Okay, so this is very, very important. If you are able to execute this, then definitely you will milk the market successfully. So it is as simple as this. You can look into this and start using it to milk the market right away. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, or you check my bio, and of course you're going to have access to me that way. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.